Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has captivated and intrigued us for centuries. Our universe is vast, almost incomprehensibly so. With billions of galaxies, each home to billions of stars, the odds seem to favor the existence of other life forms. Yet despite our best efforts and advances in technology, we've found no evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. No messages, no signals, nothing. This startling absence of contact, despite the high likelihood of life elsewhere, leads us to a profound quandary. This paradox, known as the Fermi Paradox, named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, is a contradiction that has puzzled scientists for decades. If the universe is teeming with life, as the numbers suggest, then where is everybody? If life is likely to exist beyond Earth, then why haven't we heard from them? This is what is known as the Fermi Paradox. There are numerous theories that attempt to solve this paradox. One of the most common explanations is that these civilizations are simply too far away for us to detect. Space, after all, is vast and unfathomably large. Even within our own Milky Way galaxy, which is just one among billions, the distances are staggering. If an alien civilization were trying to send us a message from the other side of the galaxy, it could take tens of thousands of years to reach us. Then there's the possibility that they're deliberately avoiding us. This is sometimes referred to as the zoo hypothesis, suggesting that we're like animals in a zoo, being observed but not interacted with. Perhaps these advanced civilizations have strict non-interference policies, akin to Star Trek's Prime Directive. Or maybe they're simply indifferent, seeing us as no more significant than we see ants. Another chilling theory is that they've self-destructed. Given our own civilization's dalliances with nuclear weapons and environmental destruction, it's not hard to imagine that other civilizations might have met similar fates. They could have reached a point of technological advancement where they were capable of not only interstellar communication, but also self-destruction. This brings us to the idea of the Great Filter. This is a hypothetical point in the development of a civilization that it must pass in order to become a spacefaring species. Some suggest that this filter could be the discovery and use of nuclear power, while others propose it could be the creation of artificial intelligence. If we haven't yet reached the Great Filter, it means that our most dangerous challenges are still ahead of us. These theories provide potential answers, but they also raise more questions. The universe remains a mystery, full of intrigue and unanswered questions. We may never know why we haven't heard from extraterrestrial civilizations, but the search for answers continues to inspire and drive us forward. As we peer into the cosmos, we can only wonder what marvels and mysteries await us in the great beyond. Despite the silence, our search for extraterrestrial life continues. Tirelessly, we scan the skies, with organizations like SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, leading the charge. Using state-of-the-art technology, we sift through cosmic noise, hoping to catch a signal, a whisper that we're not alone. Beyond this, our ambitions stretch to the stars themselves. Future space missions, some already in the pipeline, aim to probe distant planets and moons, hunting for signs of life where conditions may mimic our own. The potential impact of discovering extraterrestrial life, even in its simplest form, is colossal. It would redefine our understanding of life's uniqueness, its resilience, its universality. It would prompt us to reconsider our place in the cosmos, to question our own significance and existence. The silence of the universe is deafening, but it does not mean we stop listening. Perhaps one day, we will finally hear a whisper among the stars.